You are watching Kendrick's Collection.
It means another whole year of boarding school! Aww.
Okay, hi everybody, this is Kendrick and welcome back to my collection. And today we're going to be reviewing Nintendo's newest hardware I have so far, Alarmo, the alarm clock. This is a really neat alarm clock, and I think I'm glad to have an alarm clock. This is the very first alarm clock that I'll be using forever. Honestly, I used to have my phones for alarms, but this thing helps me a lot. So let's take a look at his packaging first. There's the logo in front. There's the warnings. It does not say for what ages plus it should have. This product sounds only death gonna keep reach out of children. It does not say ages something plus. Wake up in Nintendo worlds. 35 unique alarms. Yep, this alarm has 5 different types of games. Super Mario Odyssey, Legend of Zelda, Splatoon 3, Pikmin 4, and Ring Fit Adventure. Start with the 5 titles above you can download. Additional alarms by connecting a Nintendo account. Yep. The clock screen changes to fit your chosen alarm. If you don't get up, the alarm becomes louder. Yep. In case you didn't know, Alarmo can be more intense and more threatening. Placement requires equipment. And placement. Commutable bed sizes. Direction. Distance. Somehow I have it on the on this bottom right corner of my bed, but it's okay because Alarmo does actually detect me where I'm at, even though it's on a shelf above my bed. It can still detect me, and I'll show proof later. Requires at least 7.5 WAC adapter. Yeah, blah blah blah, yeah. Includes Nintendo Sound Alarmo, of course, USB support, and usage manual, which is right up there. Stop the alarm by just getting up. And stop the alarm by just getting up. Move your body to quiet the alarm. Get out of bed to stop the alarm. Oh, that's why it stops playing music when you fully get up, or, rise yourself up. For beds with pets or multiple sleepers, button mode offers a standard alarm experience. Yeah. Here's the Nintendo logo on the bottom. And yeah, there's a lot of warnings in the bottom, and it still doesn't say ages something and up on it. Now, I do not believe that this product is a China fake. Of course it's not a China fake, but no matter where you go on the box, it does not say ages 8 and plus or something. Now, I believe it said something about that on the manual. Like ages plus something up on the manual, right? Oh, the manual is hard to straighten. Let's see. Health and safety warning information, yada. Still does not say what ages up and plus or something. This can't be for ages 3 or something. There's the back. It says in a different language. Yep. Oh, wait, did I see that? Oh, I thought I saw the ages up in something. Yeah. Yep, no matter where you go in the box or even on the menu or the alarm clock, it doesn't say ages something and up. Now, I may be Kendrick O, and I cannot confirm or deny, but that is 100% the truth. There is no ages up and plus something on the box. So yeah, there's the bottom. There's the screen of the clock. There's the sides. There's some holes, which is where the speakers are. There's the Nintendo logo. Here's the top that features 3 buttons. The back button, the email button. No. I think that's the mail button. And here's the snooze button. And remember when it said that Alarmo can detect you when you move? Well, that's actually true. It already started off with Super Mario Odyssey, but I was actually fine with it because I already prefer Super Mario Odyssey on it, since that's the only newest Nintendo game that I really love. And the alarm is set for 7 a.m. so I can get up for school. And the bedtime is set for 11, because that's when I get to sleep. I did include sleep noises, and I did include the what is it called? I did that sleepy sounds. Was that the hourly chime? I think it's the hourly chime. There's set alarm, alarm off, alarm on or off, sleepy noises, hourly chime, records, settings, all new alarms, help, yeah. And just so I'm sure, I chose Super Mario Odyssey. I did a shuffle daily for each and every one. Yeah. The shuffle daily for Super Mario Odyssey. There's the other games too. Get that camera upward. Zelda. Pinkmin 4. Splatoon 3. And Ring Fit Adventure. I knew they would have a shuffle daily with all the titles and screens. But I only know a lot about Super Mario Odyssey. I already selected that one. I already selected the alarm for 7 a.m. So yeah. The alarm off. I already got the alarm on. Well, yeah, the alarm off or on. I already selected the alarm to be on. Sleepy sounds. Yeah, that's where the sounds go. Because when Alarmo sees you resting in bed, ready to sleep, the alarm will play sleepy noises. And it was so clever that the sleepy noises, or the sleepy music from Super Mario Odyssey, was the moon music. Because, when you're on the moon, it plays its moon music. Yeah, that's the sleepy noises that Alarmo uses from Super Mario Odyssey. So, yeah, I got it set for 11 p.m. That's when my bedtime goes. Oh, yeah, I forgot to mention, how am I going to different directions? How am I going to different selections? Well, I'm actually dialing the snooze button. You can actually, turn the snooze button dial. And you can press the snooze button to confirm something. Hourly chime. I put that on. Because, why not? Records. Zoom out a bit. Really neat. Next. Wake up records. Yep, Yep, there was one that went so fast. I don't know what's with the plus 10 minutes, but yeah. And movement records. Blah, 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 yeah. Oh. What was there? Okay, yeah. Settings. Volume. Restore center zone date time restate for. Yeah, I actually did put it on the correct date and time. So yeah, I actually did put that with the correct date and time along with my phone, like my phone's actual time, what it's saying. And I discovered that when you unplug the alarm and then plug it back in, it will actually save what you put in the alarm clock. It saves like the time you need to wake up or time you need to go to sleep, and it even saves the correct time that you put in. It even saves the exact day of what it is. Screen brightness. LED. LED? Oh yeah, we want the LED on. It's cool. It flashes rainbow. You know, I wonder if there's a mode to use the LED snooze button for, as a night light. Because when it's bedtime, this could be like a perfect night light for you to use. Let's see, screen brightness, LED. Oh, screen brightness, neat. You know, yeah, sometimes when you go off the alarm, like when you're away from the alarm and it doesn't see you, it sometimes goes dark. Like that. Somehow, I really want the screen brightness to be all the way up there. Dim the screen when no movement is detected. Yes. That's also what I want to use, somehow. Screen brightness, dial LED. Turn dial direction. Reverse. Internet. Just what I need. You'll need to help with these settings just to check in with the parent or guardian. Make sure you set up the internet your spot from your bed. Access the LAQ on the screen. Oh boy. Hang on, folks. Sorry about that, folks. I had to use this to connect to the internet. Info, restore factory. Records. Enter sensitivity. Change the with the motion sensor. If something is moving in the zone. Whoa! Hang on, I was not ready. Oh, come on! Oh. I'm sorry. I thought I had to change it right there, but I gone back. The options were either low or normal, but I had to keep it normal. Dial LED, turn dial direction, internet, Nintendo account. What's my Nintendo an account? You have a Nintendo account? What? Oh my god. What? I'm sorry. I don't think I have a Nintendo account. I don't think I should anyway. And records. Which region? Is there a way to use this button as a nightlight? What's the help? Oh, dial setup. Sorry, yeah. Okay, well, I think we had enough of that. So, yeah. And I can also check my mail for my records. Yep. So, on with the alarm sensors. So, I'm backing up a bit to show you how the motion sensors really work. And you know something interesting? Alarmo's motion sensors work best when you sleep alone. Yep. That's why I own him. Because I'm the only one in this house who sleeps alone. Now, on with his motion sensors anyway. So, you can see Mario on the screen. Well, want to know something interesting? Whenever I move away from him, Mario moves away. And when I come back, he pops right in. In fact, when I move to my right, Mario goes right. And when I go to the left, Mario goes left. And when I jump sometimes, well, he sometimes jumps. Sometimes after a while he just falls right in when the Alarmo sees me. So he doesn't see me right now. But sometimes at night, his screen turns a bit brighter when I move. And even sometimes when Mario is awake, or I'm awake or something, the Alarmo also becomes brighter. We can see that this screen is dark. And I think it's lighter. Yeah, it's became lighter. Yeah, and something more clever is that whenever it's my bedtime, Mario, or whatever character you selected in your Alarmo, falls asleep. And he starts falling asleep, and just like you are. How clever is that? And I did, oh, and there's also a volume on this Alarmo. So like when you're on the title screen, you turn the dial for the volume. I turn it all the way up so it can at least tell me to wake up so I can hear it more clear. So yeah, so back with his motion sensors. Any single move I do, Mario will start moving, or the character will start moving. Like, let's just say I go left, he goes left. And I go right, he goes right. No matter what kind of move I do, he goes along with it too. In fact, there is a way that you don't even have to hit the snooze button. There are several options where you can just use a regular alarm mode where it plays the alarm and then you just hit the snooze button to make it stop. There's also an easy mode where you can't hit the snooze button, but Alarmo will wake you up and won't even threaten you to get out of bed. So you can take your time. There's another mode, which is like level 2, where Alarmo will give you a bit of time to wake up, but it will give you warning to get out of bed or something. And then there's this like level 3 thing, which it doesn't automatically go to different levels. You can actually select your own level, and it will stay on that level forever. I don't think it's called levels, but yeah. Yeah, this level 3 thing, it will like tell you to wake up and you immediately have to get out of bed. And it might give you like a bit of time. A very small bit of time. I chose level 2 because, well, that's the only alarm I need to get school. And I don't want Alarmo to get way too threatening. So yeah. This Alarmo is actually really cool and awesome. I can't believe I got him on my birthday. Well, it's what I asked for. But I'm glad that he's working. And now for the fun part. You guys are probably wanting to see what it's like for me to get out of bed when it's time. Well, this is your chance, because I am now showing you a video of what Alarmo does for me to get out of bed right now.
And here we go.
I also forgot to mention that every hour, Alarmo would make some sort of noise, like this. It just turned 8 o'clock, and Alarmo's making coin noise from Mario. Isn't that interesting?